Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain again how to add a new custom profile in Windows Terminal. Adding custom profiles saves time and reduces setup duplication. You can launch a shell or command line tool with the command. Choose your work folder, appearance, and environment, and this method is ideal for various tasks. I'll explain the process step by step, give a helpful example of the hard drive check command, and explain how to cancel or delete the profile if you change your mind. Okay, right-click the Windows icon in the taskbar, and from the menu, click Windows Terminal. Here you can launch PowerShell or the command prompt. And in the Windows Terminal window, click the small drop-down arrow at the top of the window next to the Tabs button, and then select Settings from this menu. The Settings user interface allows you to easily add and customize profiles. In the Settings sidebar, look for the Profiles section. This area lists all existing profiles, PowerShell or command prompt. And on the right-hand side, you can add a new profile. Click the New Empty Profile button, and this will open a form to fill in the profile settings. Click the name field and enter a clear and descriptive name. For example, hard drive check, because I will be performing a basic check on my C drive. Alternatively, enter a command you use regularly. A good name will also help you quickly select the profile from the drop-down menu later. Next, click the command line field and type the command you want to run automatically when the profile starts. I'll use the command chkdsk-c to check the hard drive. Set advanced options like Run as Administrator and click Save at the bottom. The new profile will then appear in the drop-down menu of the terminal window and can be opened as a new tab. Finally, click the drop-down arrow and select your new profile. Make sure the desired command is executed correctly. If you want your new profile back, open Settings again. Go to the Profiles section, select your profile, and at the bottom, you'll find a Delete button. You now know how to create a custom profile for Windows Terminal. Custom profiles speed up workflows, implement consistent work environments, and make it easy to switch between tasks without having to rewrite commands. If you liked the video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.